Hey everybody, my name is Kiwi McGuire. I'm one of the leaders on this team, and I'm very excited to share with you this new limited edition virtual kit. It is only available until Saturday, April 15th at noon Central Time. Okay, so I need to point that out because it is not the entire month of April. It's just until Saturday. And I'm going to go over the details. The first thing I wanted to say, so much so I printed it out. Virtual kit, you pay $20 and you can get $45 in shopping sprees from Norwex. And I'm going to tell you how. So with our standard kit, what you just heard about, you get a lot of product mailed to you right away, and you have a very low risk with that kit. So if you were not to meet the sales obligation, it's a very, very low risk. You know exactly what you're looking at. With the virtual kit, it's a total no-brainer. You join, you pay $20, so just like the cost of the pizza, pay $20, you are instantly a Norwex consultant with all of the perks. That means your 35% discount, our 35% commission on any products that are sold, and everything else that comes along with it. Okay, so you're instantly a consultant. Difference is you're not having anything sent to you, except for the fact that you get an email that gives you all the information you need. So you're not having any material sent to you. But like I said, you get all the perks. And I'm going to tell you how you can earn those. So the two that are right off the bat is the $45 in shopping sprees from Norwex. It's only available with the virtual kit. The first one is when you go to sign up, Norwex always is, or has been recently, giving everybody 6 months of our website for free, as well as our newsletter. There's a whole bunch of perks. It's called Office Suite. And in the first 6 months of being a consultant, it's completely free. Now, after that 6 months, it's optional, okay? You don't have to have it. Lots of reasons to have it, but it is optional, and that's $9.99 a month. So when you join, if you check off the box that says, yes, give me my free office suite, Norwex will give you a $20 shopping spree. So now you've joined for $20, and you've gotten $20 in shopping sprees. Okay, so it's basically like you're getting paid to join Norwex. But if you have registered, if you haven't, do it right now. Reach out to your consultant, get the link, register for our 15-minute Zoom call. That's tonight at 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern time. Our co-founder is going to talk. She's going to give you all the nitty-gritty about, well, maybe not the nitty-gritty. She's going to tell you, speak from her heart. She's going to give you the details about joining Norwex. And you're going to hear some testimonials. They usually have giveaways, lots of fun stuff. So this 15-minute call, if you register for that and then join Norwex within 24 hours of that call, Norwex will give you a $25 shopping spree. So you pay $20 and then you get a $20 shopping spree just for saying yes to the free website for 6 months, okay? And then the second one is if you've registered for that call and you join within 24 hours, you get an additional $25 shopping spree. That's amazing, right? So this kit makes a lot of sense, especially if you're like, I don't know, I don't know if I'm going to be good at this, or I really just love the product. So there's a lot of reasons why you might want to join with the virtual kit. Now, if you're like, I know I'm going to rock this business, I'm okay with the $200 if I wasn't to earn my kit for free, I want that mop, I want those products, I know the value of it is way more than $200, so I'm okay with it, then that's great. But this virtual kit gives you all that opportunity without the risk. So now I'm going to tell you, you've already heard about the upgrade and the Bright Start, but I'm just going to reiterate this because this is where it gets really good. So you've joined for $20, you've gotten $45 in shopping sprees. Absolutely, our best deal we have with Norwex is getting the upgrade package, like hands down. I always tell people, if you can financially afford the upgrade package, you will not regret getting it. Because you're getting an additional 10% on top of our 35% discount on all of these products. Guys, check these out. Look at the Counter Cloth House, the Enviro-Wand, wool dryer balls. They've now added in the lint mitt. Okay, so we have the exfoliating mitt and the lint mitt. The degreaser, that's my favorite. The illuminating oil, guys, that's the Botox in a bottle. Okay, so you're getting all these fantastic products. You pay $266, but it is $456 worth of Norwex. And because the value is $456, you've instantly earned your Bright Start bonus. So you get all of this for free. This is $150 worth of Norwex. So when you put these two together, paired with that virtual kit, you have already started off at over $400 on your Norwex account. So why does that matter? So you've joined virtually. You don't have a sales obligation. You've already gotten shopping sprees, right? All the greatness. But if you join with a virtual kit and then submit $1,000 in 30 days or $2,000 in 90 days, Norwex sends you that other starter kit 100% for free. That's about $300 worth of Norwex they will send to you. And so if you get this upgrade package, you're almost halfway to your goal. Okay, so if you're someone like me and you're like, I want the best deal, I joined Norwex for the discount. I had never dreamed what Norwex could give me and my family. And I really was just looking for that great deal. And so if you want the best deal, join Zero Risk, add on the upgrade, you're instantly going to get all of this and then rock your business and earn that starter kit. You'll get the mop, you'll get all the products in the Safe Haven 5 set, you'll get the rubber brush and the body cloths and business supplies. So you get the best of both worlds. It's incredible. So make sure you're signed up for Debbie's call. Talk to your consultant about the options. I highly recommend this. It really sets you off strong with so many of our most popular products that you want anyway. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a fabulous night, and I hope you join our team. Take care.